Hello everyone, in today's video, I'm going to show you how to set up the Hume Health Band. First, take the Hume Health Band out of the box and make sure it has enough battery charge before starting the setup process. If needed, connect the band to the charger and allow it to charge for a few minutes. Now download the Hume Health app on your smartphone from the App Store or Google Play Store. Once the app is installed, open it and sign into your account. If you don't already have an account, follow the prompts to create one. Next, turn on Bluetooth on your phone. In the Hume Health app, tap the option to add or connect a new device. The app will begin searching for nearby Hume Health bands. When your band appears on the screen, tap it to start pairing. Follow the on-screen instructions to complete the connection process. Once paired, the app may check for firmware updates. If an update is available, allow it to download and install before using the band. Now place the Hume Health band on your wrist and adjust the strap so it fits comfortably. Make sure the sensor sits flat against your skin. A proper fit helps the band collect more accurate health data. After setup is complete, the band will begin monitoring important health metrics such as heart rate variability, blood oxygen levels, skin temperature, sleep, stress, recovery, and other wellness information. For the most accurate results, wear the band throughout the day and night whenever possible. Open the Hume Health app regularly to view your health insights, recovery scores, resilience data, metabolic momentum, sleep trends, and personalized recommendations. The app uses your health data to provide guidance that may help improve recovery, sleep quality, fitness performance, and long-term wellness. You can also customize notifications, health goals, and other settings directly within the app. When the battery gets low, recharge the band using the included charger. The battery can last up to 4 to 5 days on a single charge depending on usage. Once everything is connected and syncing properly, you're ready to start tracking your health with the Hume Health Band. That's it, thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos.